Well, a really awesome $35 DeWalt battery operated pressure washer find turned out to be pretty good. It only came with this and a quick release hose adapter, like a floating bucket ball extension hose. Didn't have tips. So I'll go show what I ordered, but for about $13 with shipping or so, I got 5 nozzles and this adapter so I can use regular, typical, not the DeWalt proprietary design. So this is the adapter with the tips I got. And yeah, it's actually went down a little bit in price. But hey, good deal. Works pretty well on low with the 5 amp hour batteries and the 9 amp hour batteries. Um, and I didn't even try on high yet, but I figured it'd be safer to use on vehicles I don't want the paint to peel and whatnot. So, anyways, be safe sailing until next time. Bye for now.